Hello everyone, welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we'll be telling you about the testing job opportunities for freshers, interns, as well as for experience. So there is a company in Noida, so that is Nickel Fox Technologies, which is hiring for various roles, and they are hiring for Python developer, QA interns, iOS developer, then sales interns, Node.js interns, social media marketing intern. So you can apply for these particular positions and you can send your profile to this email address. Then there is a requirement of SDITs. So Candidate Infotech, which is in Ahmedabad, they are looking for SDETs, and there are 3 to 4 positions open here. And they are looking for with an experience of 6+ years of experience with at least 3+ years in the automation testing. So immediate joiners and someone who has got grip on Selenium with Java or Python or Playwright, and familiarity with CI/CD pipelines. Those kind of things are necessary. This is the email address, what they are looking for. Then there is a requirement for manual testers, 4+ years. The location is Kochi, and the notice period would be immediate to 30 days. So minimum 4+ years of experience is required in the field of manual testing, and experience in automation testing would be a plus here. And this is the email address wherein you have to apply. Then there is a requirement for automation engineer SD2 with 3 to 6 years of experience, someone who is skilled in Java, Appium, and browser stack. So this is a work from office job opportunity for the Gurgaon location, and you can drop an email to this particular email address along with your CV and your candidature. Then there is a requirement at JC Software Solutions. So they are looking for React.js developer, Node.js developer, quality analyst, business development executive, web designer. So 1+ years of experience is required for QA roles. And this is the email address wherein you need to apply. Apart from this, there are multiple other job opportunities. So let me share those images as well with you. So as you can see, there is a requirement for software tester, experience 3 to 8 years. Location is Mumbai, work from office, and the email address is provided kanchan.gupta1@qualitychaos.com. So this particular company is looking for the testers, senior test engineer and test lead with UPI BBPS domain. So this is a requirement. Then there is a requirement for QA testers, again, minimum 3+ years of experience, and you can apply at this email address. You can also scan this code is provided, contact details are provided. Then Blue Cursor is hiring business analyst, cloud engineer, machine learning expert, as well as QA engineer. So you can apply to this email address. The details you can get at the website is provided. That is www.bluecursor.com. Scale Us company is also hiring for Node.js, React.js, UX UI, manual experience 2+ years, and the budget is up to 6 LPA. So you can share your resume at hr@scaleus.in. It's a work from office only, and they're looking for immediate joiners. The location is Indore. So all these job opportunities are there. We shared the job opportunities for testers, freshers, as well as for experience. So you can apply for these particular job opportunities today itself, and you can start getting calls for the interviews, right? So thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.